It's a quiet Sunday morning, so it's time for me to do some work on the Shitbox. Today, headlight restoration. We're going to give this a go. So, the headlights are not good.
What? Oh no!
Foggy. And they're noticeably foggy, which is an attraction for the cops. I mean, it looks like rubbish. They will defect you for all sorts of things in South Australia in particular. So, we have our Repco headlight lens restoration kit. Highly well reviewed, I guess, online. And I've got some extra bits and pieces. So I've got some extra paper, extra masking tape, scissors. I have a tea towel for cleaning things off. And I even bought some very fine extra sanding paper, just in case, because I have heard that that helps. I've been going for half an hour and I've just finished sanding, and I definitely think that the wet and dry 1200 grit was necessary, because I went through all the sanding and it still didn't look too good, and it's drying off now, but it feels smoother, so you can see that it's drying off. I'm going to dry that off, and it takes 3 to 4 minutes to shake the bottle to then put the spray on. So yeah. 1 hour 25 minutes and I am done. I had a lot of people stop and chat to me on the way. So Joe at Repco, Camscott, know that this product works and people are impressed. And here is the result. Ta-da! Is it perfect? No. Is it a lot better? Absolutely. This one on the right is not as... Is that right? No, left. This one on the left, driver's side, is not as good because I didn't take as much of the plastic coating off. This side usually does get more damaged in Australia. So yeah, the one on this side is definitely a better finish. If I do it again, I will go and I will get a drill and some rough grit myself to take that top layer off, because while it did it really by hand to get it as far down as you need to, too difficult, or would take an hour on each headlight. So yeah, winner winner chicken dinner.
Lend me $20. Lend me $20.